The straw-headed bulbul, Pycnonotus zeylanicus, is a species of bird known for its melodious and distinctive song. Here are some key facts about this bird. The straw-headed bulbul is native to Southeast Asia, including countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. It inhabits lowland forests and is often found in primary and secondary forests. This bulbul gets its name from its striking straw-colored head, which is a prominent feature. The rest of its plumage is generally olive brown or greenish brown. One of the most remarkable features of the straw-headed bulbul is its beautiful and melodious song. Its vocalizations are highly sought after by bird enthusiasts and have led to illegal trapping and trade, which poses a significant threat to the species. The diet of this bulbul primarily consists of fruits, insects, and small invertebrates. They forage for food in the canopy of trees. The straw-headed bulbul is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. It faces serious threats, particularly from the illegal pet trade due to its attractive song. Conservation efforts are being made to protect and preserve this species. Various organizations and governments are working to combat the illegal trade in straw-headed bulbuls and protect their habitats. Initiatives include stricter enforcement of wildlife trade regulations, education and awareness campaigns, and habitat conservation. The straw-headed bulbul's beautiful song has made it a target for illegal trade, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to ensure the survival of this species in the wild. That's a little information about the straw-headed bulbul or cucakrawa bird that Megono Chirpy can summarize. Hopefully it can be useful and broaden your insight. Thank you.